All right, buckle up, everyone, because today we're diving deep into a topic that's been lighting up the space community.
Literally lighting up with all those incredible new images.
Exactly. We're talking about Proxima B, our closest exoplanet neighbor. And, well, let's just say the James Webb Space Telescope has been giving us some pretty spectacular views lately.
It's really remarkable what the JWST is revealing.
So for those who haven't been glued to their telescopes lately, remind us what makes Proxima B so special. Why is everyone buzzing about it?
Well, for starters, it's orbiting Proxima Centauri, which is
the closest star to our sun, part of the Alpha Centauri system. I know I'm a space nerd.
We appreciate the enthusiasm. But yeah, a little over 4 light years away, right in our cosmic backyard.
And it's not just any exoplanet. It's sitting right in the habitable zone, that sweet spot where liquid water could exist.
Yeah.
And as we know, water is kind of a big deal when it comes to life as we know it.
Absolutely. That's why Proxima B has been a prime target for scientists ever since its discovery back in 2016.
2016. Wow. It feels like just yesterday we were all freaking out about finding this potentially habitable world so close by. And now, thanks to the JWST, we're getting our clearest look yet.
Before the JWST, it was like we were trying to study Proxima B through a thick fog of cosmic dust and gas.
Yeah, I remember those early images. Pretty blurry, to say the least.
But now, with its infrared vision, the JWST can cut through all that interference, giving us high-definition views that were unimaginable just a few years ago.
It really is a game changer. And it's not just Proxima B, right? The JWST is revolutionizing astronomy across the board.
Absolutely. From the birthplaces of stars to distant galaxies, it's allowing us to see the universe in a whole new light.
Okay, but let's get back to Proxima B. What's it actually like on this intriguing world? From what I've read, it's a pretty unique place.
Unique is putting it mildly. For one thing, it's tidally locked to its star.
Meaning one side always faces the star, while the other is in eternal darkness.
Wow, talk about a world of extremes.
Exactly. So you've got this scorching hot day side and a perpetually frigid night side. I can't even imagine, would there be any place where the temperature would be, somewhat livable?
Well, scientists theorize that there might be a terminator zone, a kind of ring around the planet between the day and night sides, a perpetual twilight.
Oh, a twilight zone. Sounds a little spooky.
Maybe a little, but it's where temperatures might be just right for liquid water to exist, and potentially even life.
Okay, that is pretty fascinating. But let's not forget about those intense solar flares coming from Proxima Centauri. It is a red dwarf star, after all, and they're known for being a bit volatile.
That's a crucial point. While Proxima B might be in the habitable zone, it doesn't necessarily mean it's a paradise.
Yeah, getting bombarded with radiation doesn't sound like my idea of a vacation spot.
Right. Those flares could pose a significant challenge for any life trying to gain a foothold on Proxima B, so it's a bit of a cosmic catch-22.
It's got the potential for life, but it's also getting blasted with solar radiation. Tough break, Proxima B. So these new images from the JWST, are we seeing any little green aliens waving back at us? Okay, too bad. But on a serious note, what are these images actually telling us about Proxima B's potential for life?
While the images don't directly show us life, they're providing a wealth of information that scientists are using to piece together a more complete picture of this fascinating world. We're talking about data on its size, its composition, its atmosphere, all clues that could help us determine its habitability.
So it's like getting a closer look at all the pieces of the puzzle, even if we haven't figured out how they all fit together yet.
Precisely. And one of the most exciting things we can do now is analyze the light passing through Proxima B's atmosphere.
Wait, we can tell what kind of gases are in its atmosphere just by looking at the light passing through it? How does that even work?
It's a bit complicated, but basically different gases absorb different wavelengths of light. So by studying the light that passes through an exoplanet's atmosphere, we can identify the gases present. And some of those gases, like methane or oxygen, could be telltale signs of life, what we call biosignatures.
That's incredible. We're literally looking for the chemical fingerprints of life on another planet.
It's one of the most powerful tools we have in the search for life beyond Earth.
So no alien selfies yet, but we're getting a much deeper understanding of Proxima B than ever before. That's pretty amazing in itself, wouldn't you say?
Absolutely. And remember, this is just the beginning of our exploration of Proxima B. The JWST will continue to observe it for years to come, and each new piece of data will get us closer to answering that big question. Could there be life on this intriguing world? What's fascinating is that even if we don't find life on Proxima B, just studying it is teaching us so much about planetary systems.
It's like Proxima B is giving us this cosmic masterclass in how planets form and evolve and, what conditions are needed for life.
Exactly. And it really makes you realize that our solar system, it might not be so unique after all.
Right. There are billions of stars out there in our galaxy, and chances are most of them have planets orbiting them.
Billions. It's mind-boggling, isn't it?
Totally. It makes you wonder, right? Are we alone? Finding a planet like Proxima B, so close, well, cosmically speaking at least, it really fuels that search for life beyond Earth.
It does. Imagine other worlds out there, maybe even teeming with life. Maybe intelligent life?
Whoa, okay. That is a pretty wild thought. So here's the question everyone's thinking. Could we actually go to Proxima B? It's the closest star system, but we're still talking about distances that honestly make my brain hurt a little bit.
Yeah, I hear you. Those distances are definitely mind-boggling. With our current technology, it would take us tens of thousands of years to reach Proxima Centauri.
Tens of thousands of, that's not exactly a weekend trip. So pack a good book. Or maybe a few thousand if you're planning on heading to Proxima B. But seriously, is there any hope for us? What about all those sci-fi ideas we hear about?
Well, there are some scientists exploring some pretty futuristic propulsion systems. Some that could potentially cut down that travel time.
Cut it down, like significantly. Tell me more.
One idea that's really interesting is using powerful lasers, really powerful, to propel tiny spacecraft. They're called light sails, and the idea is they could travel at a fraction of the speed of light.
Light sails.
Okay.
That sounds like something straight out of Star Wars. But this is real science we're talking about, right?
Oh, it's real. Just imagine, a giant laser, ground-based, pushing on this highly reflective sail attached to a spacecraft. It would accelerate the spacecraft to, incredible speeds. Speeds that could make interstellar travel within a human lifetime possible.
Wait, so you're saying we could actually reach Proxima B within a human lifetime? That's pretty incredible.
It is, but, it's still early stages of research. But it does give us a glimpse of what might be possible. And even if we don't end up setting foot on Proxima B ourselves, just the pursuit of these goals pushes the boundaries of science and technology in ways we can't even imagine.
It's pretty inspiring, isn't it? Just thinking about future generations exploring these distant worlds. And speaking of inspiration, can we talk about the impact that JWST is having on, young minds? It's like a whole new generation of scientists, engineers, and explorers are being ignited by these incredible images and discoveries.
It is. It makes you wonder what those future generations will accomplish, what breakthroughs they'll make.
Right. Okay, so we've covered a lot of ground here. Proxima B's unique characteristics, the potential for life, those challenges and wild possibilities of interstellar travel, even the impact this is having on future generations. But there's one more question I think we need to tackle. Why should we even care about a planet that's light years away? What does Proxima B really tell us about our place in the universe?
That's the ultimate question, right? And it gets to the heart of why we explore, the study of Proxima B and all those other exoplanets out there. It helps us understand that our solar system isn't unique. There are billions of stars in our galaxy, and it seems like most of them have planets orbiting them.
Billions of stars with planets.
Yeah.
It's just mind-blowing to think about. Makes you wonder if there are, other beings out there looking up at their own night sky.
Yeah.
Asking the same questions we are. Are we alone?
It's a question that, I think it's safe to say it's haunted humanity for centuries.
Right.
And now, discovering a planet like Proxima B, so close, in cosmic terms at least, it just intensifies that search for life beyond Earth. It's a powerful reminder that there could be other worlds, teeming with life, perhaps even intelligent life.
Right in our galactic neighborhood.
Exactly.
It's both exhilarating and humbling.
Right.
Knowing we might not be the only ones in this vast universe.
And, even if we never find, definitive proof of extraterrestrial life, the very act of searching extends our understanding of the universe and our place in it. It forces us to confront those profound questions.
About the nature of life.
About the nature of life, the origins of the universe, our cosmic significance.
Oh, it's not just about finding another Earth, right? It's about widening our perspective, challenging our assumptions about what's even possible out there.
Exactly. Proxima B is a powerful reminder that the universe is full of possibilities, full of wonders that honestly we're only beginning to glimpse. And with tools like the JWST, we're poised to make some, I think, truly groundbreaking discoveries in the years to come.
It really is an incredible time to be alive, to witness this unfolding story of cosmic exploration. It feels like we're on the cusp of something big, discoveries that could change our understanding of the universe and ourselves forever.
I completely agree. And it's important to remember that this is a journey that we're all on together. The pursuit of knowledge, understanding, it's a collective human endeavor.
It is. And who knows, maybe someday we'll finally be able to answer that age-old question, are we alone in the universe? Well, I think that about wraps it up for today.
It does.
That's our deep dive into Proxima B. We've covered a lot. From those awe-inspiring images from the JWST to the tantalizing and a little mind-bending possibilities of interstellar travel.
And don't forget, the biggest question remains unanswered. Does life exist on this intriguing world? What do you think?
What do you think? Until next time, keep looking up, keep exploring, and keep asking those big, bold questions about our place in the cosmos.